Hyundai Genesis coupe. It's a Hyundai 3.8 liter ultimate manual transmission. We got a big old turbo right here. It's running 8 psi on stock internals because I like to live on the edge. Stock horsepower on these, everybody knows it's 348 horsepower to the crank. This one, they estimated it to be, from the dyno numbers, that it was 507. Okay, this is turbokits.com turbo kit. They're about $5,800 if you get just the basic kit, but I got the top of the line kit. I got the turbo kits headers, no cats, nothing. I'm illegal. All right, then we got our precision turbo ball bearing 6266. It needs to be a little bit larger because it starts building boost at like 2,500 RPM. Has a little bit of boost spikes. Have a forge blow-off valve, atmospheric. We also got, throttle body spacer, which really doesn't do much on here, but it does have a meth port on there if I ever want to do that.
That's cool.
Oh yeah.
How big is the wastegate?
Turbo Smart wastegate. I can't remember exactly how big it is, but it's just a single wastegate external.
Okay.